What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey, what's going on, party people? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome, boo. I hope y'all digging a new little background for the time being. I'm trying to, do a little mixture, variety. I'm gonna start filming all over in my home so that, it won't be the same scene y'all seeing all the time. Let me know what you think. Today we have something just a little bit special. This is gonna be a bonus video for that As Boo. Lovely Things box owner reached out to me during the hurricane, and she told me that she wanted to send me over a care package right here. So I'm so thankful, guys. I just want to show you all what she sent over. I did open the bag, but I have not opened the box yet because I want it to be a surprise for both of us. So if you guys are interested in seeing what care package I got from Lovely Things box, please stay tuned. Oh, girl, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know it's free. Okay, loves, welcome. As I said in the intro, I am Tonyanicole. Welcome, guys. Today we're going to be doing a quick little bonus video featuring Lovely Things box. Y'all know that I was affected by Hurricane Ida and whatever the little one that came after that, and I was like, y'all, so stressed and just so out of it for the longest, very sad and down. And she reached out to me and said, I want to send you over a care package. So this is not her subscription box, guys. It's just a care package that she sent over, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I'm very appreciative. I'm not going to do shout outs in this video, guys, because it's a bonus video, but I can shout out Lovely Things box. Thank you so much, girl, for sending over this package. I don't care what's in it. I'm forever, ever, ever grateful. Thank you. Y'all, I will have Lovely Things information linked down below. Check them out. Their boxes are amazing. I also have some boxes that I've unboxed from them. Amazing. I'll link them down below and up top somewhere. So yes, without further ado, let's get this box on and popping. Boo, a dance break and a drink. I don't have no drink either. Maybe I don't know, water. Nobody wants that. All right, love, so we're just gonna get right on into it. Like I told you, I will have all of their information linked in the description box. This is the box that she sent over. It has Lovely Things box on the front. I think her anniversary is coming up soon. I'm very happy about that. This is what the inside of the box is looking like, my loves. I do love this purple little scriggly papers. Purple is my favorite color. I don't know if she did that purposely or not, but I love it. As I said before, this is not one of her subscription boxes. This is just a care package that she just wanted to send over to me to help with my stress, y'all. All right, so here's the first product. I won't have any prices or anything because, we're just gonna go through the box, but the packaging, look how darling that is. It has stars and moons on it. This is from Volcano Vibes, and I'm sorry, I cannot see it. It's from Aligned Ash Studios, and this is Volcano Vibes. Oh, and these are candle, like those wax melts. Oh my goodness. I do have one. I haven't used it in a long time, but I'm gonna have to break that baby out so I can melt me some of this Volcano Vibes. Oh my God. It smells so good. It looks like little candies. So, oh, can y'all see it? I hope. So it's orange, yellow, white, and like a pink color. It really, really smells good, guys. I'm going to enjoy this. Oh, I love candles. I love those, just the smell of candles throughout your home is like the best thing ever. And this is very fragrant. I'm going to get some use out of that. Love this. Ooh, excited already. This box is packed too, y'all. Okay, next up we have this that's wrapped up in this cute little baggie. And it is a lavender lemon shower steamer. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's what it looks like. You put this in the bottom of your shower, you let the water run on it, and once the water hits it, it activates this, what do you want to call it? Burst of scents. And in this case, it's going to be lavender and lemon. That's going to be bursting up through the shower and through your nose and your pores. Oh, so relaxing. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I love these little shower steamers. Let me smell it in lavender. Y'all know it's so relaxing. Oh, it does smell like a, what do you call those hard yellow candies? A lemon head. That's what it smells like. Oh my goodness. I'm excited for this, loves. And this is from All About Velour. All right, next up we have this that's bubble wrapped. And it is from Light of Love. Elevate, batch number 13. What is this? Is it like a perfume? I don't know. It has something in it though at the bottom. All right, so it has jasmine in it, wild orange. These are essential oils, coconut oil. I'm assuming you just kind of rub this on you. It comes with like a roller ball. I'm gonna roll it and see. Ooh, it smells just like, I don't know. It's like, okay. It's like the soap that you use at like a, oh goodness, like a gas station, the hand soap. That's what it smells like. It's not a bad scent. I actually really like it, but that's what it reminds me of. The hand soap and that be in the gas station bathrooms, but I'm definitely gonna rub it on me. I love it, and it's called Elevate, batch number 13, which is my favorite number. Oh my goodness. Okay, is this like, you know, I don't know, but this is giving me like Tonyanicole vibes, boo. Favorite color is purple. My favorite number is 13. What y'all thinking? Ooh. So our next product up is from Peachy, what is that? Peachy Skin? That's what it looks like right there. And this is a Peach Mani-Pedi Scrub. Oh my goodness. Now I haven't been to the nail salon in a very long time. So I've been doing my own manicures and pedicures. So this will be perfect. I love the scent of peach. That's what it is. It's peachy, I think. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know, girl, but y'all know me. Ooh, I love that sound. Listen. Well, can't hear nothing. Oh, girl, okay. So I am gonna use this to scrub the bottom of these feet, babe, because they are like, oh, they're so hard. I haven't really had time to really do my feet like I want to, and girl, the skin is so thick and hard. That is sad, I know, but thanks to Lovely Things box, I'm gonna take care of that, boo. Thank you, boo. All right, next up we have from California, Almost Famous, Clean Freak. This is a 2-in-1 dual action cleansing brush right there. Take this out and see what we're looking like. I do like these. I do. I love these little, oh yeah, oh wow. So that's the little, it's a soft side like the brush side. I think that would be good for like your moisturizers. And on the back they have like this little rubbery, which would be good for doing like your facial cleansers. I do love this. It doesn't have a battery or anything, so you just kind of, you know, circle. And look, girl, it's matching the highlighter. All right, y'all, like we giving good vibes with Lovely Things box. Like this box is just meant to be for me. I'm telling you, look at that. I got the iridescent purple to send me this. Girl. What more can you want? What more? Okay, so next we have some Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches from Soon Skincare. She sent over 2 of these eye patches. I do love those. I will put these in my fridge and use them while I'm soaking in the tub. Also, we have these Factory Everyday Lemon Brightening Mask, 2 of those. Beautiful. I love face masks, and I mean, I will get some good use out of that. Perfect for me. Then we have from Galactic these 2 metallic, ooh, shadow sticks. Ooh, look at that. Wait, let me turn it so y'all can see. That's the outside packaging. I still have it wrong. I'm gonna open them up real quick, guys, so we can see the colors. All right, so when we take them out of the box, that's how they're looking. And this is the first one. Ooh, that is beautiful. Ooh, that's this color right there. Isn't that pretty? Let me build it up a little bit more so y'all can see. Ooh, a beautiful metallic-y pink. Love that. And the second one is this one right here. Ooh, a deeper color. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love this one. I love both, but this one is really pretty. These are very easy to use on your eyes to give you that little pop. So, oh, I'm happy for this. Good looking out, girl. Yes. And then our last product is from Mora. And this is the Strobe and Allure Highlighting Palette right here. So we have a palette. Y'all know I love a palette. That's how it looks when you take the little shell sheet thing off, whatever you call that. Oh, girl, we get a mirror. Hey, love. Ooh, okay, so ooh, this is highlighters. All right, let me take the plastic off so we can get into these highlighters, baby. Look at that. Those are the highlighter shades right there. You have like this bronzy color. These two are kind of like in the bronze family, pink family, and like champagne gold family. I hope you guys are able to see that. This is really, really, really pretty. I'm not gonna swatch this just yet because I do have a lot of highlighters that I'm going through, but it is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Ooh, I love this. Yes, that was all that we received in this care package from Lovely Things box. I'm just gonna hold up the box as a whole so you guys could see that it was actually really, really full. I will get use out of every product in here. I'm getting very relaxed, zen type of vibes from this box. And I just want to shout out Lovely Things box again for sending this over. You did not have to do that, but I am so thankful that you did. Thank you so much. Please guys, go and check out her site. I will have it linked down below. Also with some past unboxings of her subscription box. I will have that so you can check out and see what I've gotten in the past. But this was just a care package and not one of her regular subscriptions. And I am so appreciative, guys. Like I could really cry right now, but I'm not. That's all that I have, loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this care package unboxing with me because I really did. Make sure you subscribe to our family. Be a part of it, guys. We're fun over here. We're bomb. We're zen. We're everything. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content. Also, my social medias are all linked down below, so go on and check them out. And I will talk to you guys in the next video and in the comments. Bye, loves.